Dear law student, are your grades important when you try to go get a job at a law school? My name is Marco Brown and I own Brown Family Law in Salt Lake City. And I can tell you that they are, but not as much as you think. Okay, this is what I mean. Grades are important. Grades are in fact more important to employers like me than where you went to law school. I actually don't really know where my attorneys went to law school because I don't care. I just don't. It makes absolutely no difference to me because I haven't seen a big difference in the quality of attorney based on where they went to law school, okay? Now, grades on the other hand are at least relatively well correlated to your success as an attorney. And I'm not sure why this is, whether it's kind of a chicken or an egg thing, but what I can tell you is how you do anything is how you do everything. So if you're in law school and you're messing around and not getting good grades and not learning, then you're probably not going to be great as an attorney. Maybe you turn it around, right? And look, if you didn't get good grades in law school, turn it around and you'll still be okay. But if you spend 3 years messing around and then you become a lawyer, it becomes much harder to turn it around. So maybe it's that. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but what I can tell you is all the data point to this, and my experience point to this as well. The better you do in law school, the better you tend to do as an attorney. So I care about grades, whereas I simply don't care about where people actually went to law school. Now let me switch gears a little bit and tell you what might be even more important than your grades. So your ability to make the law firm money is going to be more important than your grades. If you can show a law firm that you know how to market, if you can show a law firm that you know how to sell and close clients and rainmake, okay, that you have a plan for those things, that you have a skill set to make those things happen, that's going to cover up a lot of sins if you don't have great grades. That's going to cover up a lot of sins if you didn't go to a great law school. So that may well be the most important factor in getting a job, is your ability to actually bring money in to a law firm. And you might be thinking to yourself, that makes absolutely no sense. I just graduated from law school and I don't have a book of business to bring over. Cool, yeah, I totally understand that. But again, if you show a law firm that you have sat down, that you have a marketing plan for that specific law firm, you know how you're going to get them more business, you know how to sell, right? You've acquired those talents because you've really tried hard to figure out how to sell and to bring in clients and to close those clients and make them clients, then you are going to absolutely stand out from the rest of the people that that law firm is going to interview, because no one does that. No law student is taught these things in law school, and almost no law student ever takes the time to learn how to rainmake and how to sell and how to close clients. So if you can do that, you're going to set yourself apart from everybody else. And then it doesn't become about your grades and comparing your grades with the other person. It becomes about, oh yeah, he or she, this law student has grades in the range, but man, that guy or that gal knows how to sell and knows how to bring in money to this law firm and has a plan to do that. You are head and shoulders above everybody else if you can do that. So start down that path, start figuring those things out. And if you need help figuring that out, message me and I will do anything I can for you. There are books you can read, there's technologies that you can go through. We do this every day as a law firm. We sit down, we have a sales meeting, and then we learn how to close clients. It's a very particularized set of behaviors and skills that you need to acquire, and I can help you figure out where you can find the information that you need to be able to do that. So if you want that, message me. I'll give you all the books. I'll direct you to all the trainings because I want you to be successful. Okay, thanks so much for your time.